the X series. The name of X represents a new approach to high-speed laser cutting built around performance, stability, and intelligent functions. The cast iron structure provides twice the rigidity. It reduces vibration by 90%. The X series also integrates 3 AI functions. The X series delivers up to 4G of acceleration and a maximum linked speed of 200 meters per minute. The X series uses the Diamond high-speed transmission system. It offers accuracy of up to 1 arc minute. The second-generation camera-based system identifies the shape edges and rotation angle automatically in just half a second. Compared with capacitive edge finding, this improves process efficiency by 90%. First, the machine is fully closed, with all gaps around the lower and near closures completely sealed. In total, the X series has 43 safety functions designed to meet international safety requirements. The X Pro series uses a hydraulic shuttle tailor, enabling lights-out production.
Bodor, dare to dream.